Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Tyrone Sims, and I'm the founder of Green Owl Systems. We specialize in providing effective sales training for businesses in the commercial cleaning industry with a focus on mastering the art of cold calling. Now, I know you might be thinking, cold calling? Isn't that outdated? But let me assure you, cold calling is very much alive and kicking. In fact, it's one of the top ways B2B buyers prefer to be contacted. Today, I'm here to share with you why it's crucial to your business and how you can make it work effortlessly for you. I'm thrilled to walk you through some of the key aspects of successful cold calling and give you a sneak peek into our comprehensive course called Dialing for Success. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes. Let's dive in. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our webinar, Dialing for Success, Mastering Cold Calling in the Commercial Cleaning Industry. I'm Tyrone Sims, the founder of Green Owl Systems, where we focus on providing effective marketing solutions for the commercial cleaning industry. Today, we'll be diving into 4 different areas: the crucial role of cold calling in our industry, core principles that make a cold call successful, a live demonstration of a cold call, and introduction to our comprehensive Dialing for Success course. Let's get started. Despite the increase in emphasis on digital marketing strategies, cold calling remains an indispensable tool for generating leads and securing deals in the commercial cleaning industry. You may be thinking, in this digital age, does cold call still work? Well, according to a study by Rain Group, cold calling is still one of the top ways B2B prefer to be contacted. In fact, 69% of buyers accept cold calls from new providers in the past 12 months, and 82% of buyers say they have accepted meetings with salespeople after a series of contacts beginning with sales cold calls. Furthermore, consider the nature of the commercial cleaning industry. Our targets are often businesses, institutions, and facilities. These are places where a personal touch, a direct approach, often yields better results than mass emails. We're not just dealing with a faceless consumer base, we're dealing with facility managers, operations managers, and business owners that appreciate a personal approach. So you understand the importance of cold calling, but how do you make sure your calls are successful? Here are some basic principles that underpin successful cold calling. Number 1, research. First up, it's essential to do your research. No, you don't need to know their favorite color or the person you're calling, but you do need to know about the company. What kind of business are they? What size? What might their needs be in terms of commercial cleaning? You can now use online tools, company websites, LinkedIn to gather this information. For example, if you're calling the hospital, you know they'll be interested in sanitation and possibly medical waste disposal. Number 2, preparation. Next, prepare your cold script, but don't adhere to it rigorously. You want to sound human, not robotic. Use your script as a guide for the points that you want to cover. Remember, the goal of the initial call is to make the sales, but to secure a meeting or follow-up call. So your script should be designed to pique interest and open the door for further conversation. Consider role-playing or practicing your call with a colleague to get comfortable. Number 3, personalization. Then personalize your approach. You're not just selling a service, you're solving a problem. Connect the dots between what your service offers and what you believe the client's needs might be. For example, if you're calling a large office, you might highlight your ability to clean large spaces efficiently in flexible hours. Number 4, persistence. Persistence is the key. Most sales don't happen on the first, second, even the third contact. According to a study by Marketing Donut, 80% of sales require at least 5 follow-ups. So don't be disheartened if you don't get a yes right away. Keep following up, but make sure each interaction provides value and isn't just checking into a call. Number 5, positivity. Finally, stay positive. Cold calling can be tough, and rejection is part of the process. Keep a positive attitude, and remember, each no gets you closer to a yes. Keep refining your approach, and over time, you'll see improvement. These principles are not hard or fast rules, but guidelines to steer your cold calling efforts in the right direction. We'll be going deeper into each of these and more in the course, Dialing for Success. Now let's see these principles in action. I'm going to let one of my sales reps, I'm going to let you listen to a recorded call. It's going to showcase how we incorporated these principles in our conversation effectively.
Hi, director call.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. I'm wondering if you could help me out. I'm trying to get in contact with the person who makes the decisions for your guys' janitorial services. Are you able to connect me with that person?
Yes, I can try to. His name is Jimmy. I will just transfer you to him.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No worries, just a moment. Varsity Parks, Jimmy here.
Hey there, Jimmy. My name's Harkamel. I'm just giving you a call. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks.
That's good. So the reason for my call today is we've actually taken over cleaning for some of the businesses here in the city. We found that some places they were paying above average prices for their janitorial services to the point where we're able to save some of them up to 25% on their monthly cost. And I just want to ask, do you guys currently use a janitorial service at your shop?
Yes, we do.
Do? Oh, okay, awesome. And how many days a week do they come in for you?
Let's say five, six,
5 days? 6 days a week? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And if I could save you 25% on your cleaning cost every month and improve the way your shop looks, could you give me 10 more seconds of your time on the phone?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I know your current provider is probably doing a good job right now, but if you could change one thing about the cleaning experience you're getting, what would that be?
Um, to clean everywhere.
To clean everywhere.
Yeah.
Are they missing? Are they missing spots?
I would say so. Yes.
Oh, okay, I see. So just a little bit of inconsistency, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Well, if honestly, Jimmy, it sounds like we can help you out with the inconsistency and try to save you some money while we're at it. Would you have 5 minutes for me next Wednesday at 2 p.m.?
Yes. Yes, I would.
Okay, perfect. Give me one moment. So that would bring us to June 9th, next Wednesday, and we could do 2 p.m. Perfect. So I just got to ask you a few quick questions so I can get your presentation ready and accurate for you. So
Okay.
it's going to be a screen share presentation, so no one's going to be coming down. Just a quick 10 to 15 minute phone call where we go over a checklist, price, how our company is different, how that different benefits you. Are you still at the address?
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And do you know
Okay.
how much of the building gets cleaned or the size of the cleanable area?
What's the name of your company? If you don't mind me asking.
Oh yeah, for sure. And do you by any chance know what the size of the cleanable area
Oh, that's a good question. No,
is? No?
I did
Okay,
not. No.
no worries. Well, we can pull out your building on Google Maps and do a quick measurement that way as well. And which days of the week are you getting them cleaned? You said 6 days?
Yeah, every night.
Every day. Okay, awesome. And okay, so inconsistency is one of the big things that you guys are having issues with right now. Anything else?
No, not off the top of my head.
Okay, cool. And do you guys get any extra services like wax it, carpet cleaning, gear detailing, or windows done?
We do get the windows done. Yes.
The windows? Okay. And would you like that price to be built in your quote, or would you like that to be quoted separately?
Quote it separately, please.
Separately? Okay, awesome. And aside from yourself, is there anyone else involved in the decision-making process or has a say in what the company does, or are you the boss?
Well, I do have to present it to the owner, of course.
Okay.
But I do have a lot of pull here, I guess. So
Okay. Okay, awesome. And do you think the owner would want to sit down with us next Wednesday for the presentation? Do you think they'd be open to that?
he's not in Wednesdays.
Okay, no worries. And last one, does your company have a budget for cleaning services?
I'm sure we do. I'd have to ask my accounting what that actually is at this present time.
Okay, no problem. Okay, cool. So I got everything I need for your presentation, and we'll be doing this next Wednesday, June 9th at 2 p.m. I'm not too sure if you can find it, but if you can bring your current company's checklist with you so we can compare apples to apples,
Yeah,
that'd be great.
I
Would you
certainly
be
will. You betcha.
Okay, awesome. And I want you to know our intention is to have you move forward with us at the end of our presentation. If we can show you, we can come in and help you with that consistency, bring more value, and save you some money. Could we have a discussion of maybe bringing this to the owner as well?
Yeah, I would. Yeah,
Cool. And let me just confirm your email address so I can send you that calendar invite.
it's that's right. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So I'll send you a calendar invite to our meeting. Is it possible for you to accept it within the next like 30 minutes to an hour so I know you got it?
Actually, I'm just taking off because my son's fourth birthday,
Oh,
so
no way.
I will accept it in the morning though.
Oh yeah, no worries. And oh my gosh, happy fourth birthday to him. That's awesome.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. And okay, last thing, I want to put a face to our company and prove to you I'm not calling out of my mom's basement or anything. What's the best phone number to text you so I can shoot you over a quick video of our office?
Uh, yeah.
Awesome. So we'll call you a few minutes before our meeting. Look forward to talking to you next Wednesday, June 9th at 2 p.m. Any questions for me while we're on the phone?
No, we're good.
Okay, perfect. Well, I hope your son has the best birthday ever, and I hope you enjoy your night.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye.
All right, bye bye.
If you found this demonstration helpful, we developed a complete course dedicated to mastering cold calling in the commercial cleaning industry. Dialing for Success provides an in-depth look at the strategies and techniques that can help you generate more leads and close more deals. Now I'm excited to introduce you to our course, Dialing for Success. The comprehensive program is specifically designed to transform your cold calling techniques and significantly improve your success rate in the commercial cleaning industry. Here's what you can expect from this course. Comprehensive training. We provide in-depth training on cold calling techniques, sales psychology, and the art of persuasion. You'll learn not to just the how, but also the why behind each strategy. Tailored for the cleaning industry. Our content is not generic, it's tailored specifically for the commercial cleaning industry. You'll learn strategies that address the unique challenges and opportunities in our field. Real life examples and case studies. We believe in learning by doing. The course includes numerous real-life examples, case studies, and role-play scenarios to help you understand and apply the concepts. Interactive and engaging. The course is designed to be interactive and engaging. You'll have opportunities to ask questions, discuss ideas, and share your experiences. Continuous learning. In addition to the core content, you'll get access to additional resources for continued learning. This includes scripts, templates, and much more. In short, Dialing for Success is more than just a course. It's a complete toolkit that will equip you with the skills, strategies, and confidence to excel in cold calling and sales in the commercial cleaning industry. Thank you all for investing your time with us today. I hope you gained a valuable insight on and inspired to further hone your cold calling skills. If you're ready to take the next step and dive deeper into the world of successful cold calling, I encourage you to enroll in our Dialing for Success course. Thank you once again. I look forward to seeing you in the course. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button.